Hello, I just want to show you another Christmas tree that I have in my home. It was under $10 to buy all the things that I purchased, so let me show you. This is a white tree that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. And the lights also came from the Dollar Tree. These little beads is a necklace that I no longer wanted, so I separated it into 3 pieces and I made it into the garland around the Christmas tree. These beautiful ornaments came from Walmart. So we have Mary, which is in my favorite color, pink. We have this cute little mouse. She's so adorable. She also came from Walmart. We have a star. This also came from Walmart. And my favorite, we have this multi-colored Christmas tree, which also came from Walmart. The cost of the ornaments were $1.99. And I think this is super cute. I did order more lights from Amazon, but I have not received them yet. These lights are only 10 and I want to have a little bit more lights, and the ones that I'm purchasing, they do twinkle. I love lights that twinkle. So let's turn out the lights and see how beautiful this Christmas tree is. So this is the Christmas tree. I just think it's so pretty. It's so simple. You don't have to break the bank to have a cute, unique Christmas tree. I think the total cost for all the items were definitely under $12. So if you wanted a Christmas tree, it's not too late. Go to your Dollar Tree and Walmart or your thrift store and get some cute ornaments for your Christmas tree. So I'm just wishing you all a happy holidays. See ya.